In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an album on Google Photos. This is a valuable skill that allows you to share memories and moments with friends and family easily. Sharing albums can enhance connections and keep everyone in the loop. Let's dive right into it. First, if you are using an Android or an iPhone, open the Google Photos app. This app is where all your photos and videos are stored, making it easy to access your albums. Once you have the app open, you will see various options and menus. Look for the Collections tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where you will find all your albums and collections organized neatly. It is essential to navigate here first because you need to locate the specific album you want to share. Next, tap on the Albums option. This will take you to a list of all your albums, making it easy to find the one you wish to share. Take a moment to scroll through your albums. Each album title will help you identify the right one. Once you find the album you want to share, tap to open it. Opening the album is crucial because it allows you to access the sharing options specifically related to that albums. After that, tap the share icon, which looks like an outline of a person with a plus sign. This icon is typically located at the top of the screen. Tapping this icon opens up the sharing options available to you. It's important to know where this icon is because it leads you directly to sharing settings. From here, you can choose how to share your album. Now, you have two primary options. You can share with specific people or create a link. To share with specific people, you can either select contacts from your list or enter their email addresses directly. This method ensures that only the people you want to see the album can access it. Alternatively, you can create a shareable link. This link can be sent through any app, making it flexible and convenient for broader sharing. Once you've made your choice, you might want to adjust the sharing settings. This includes options like allowing collaborators to add photos or comments. This feature is useful for group events as it invites everyone to contribute. Adjusting these settings is vital because it enhances collaboration and engagement among users. Next, tap Send or Copy Link depending on the sharing method you selected. If you chose to send invites to specific people, tapping Send will notify them directly. If you opted for the link, tapping Copy Link will allow you to paste it anywhere you like. This step ensures that your sharing method is complete and that recipients can access your album easily. Now, if you are on a computer, go to Google Photos and sign in. Signing in is necessary to access your albums. Once you're in, look for albums in the left sidebar of the interface. Clicking on this will show you all your albums similar to the mobile app. It's important to have a clear view of your albums as this helps in locating the one you want to share with ease. Open the album you wish to share. This action is crucial because it allows you to access the sharing features for that specific album. After that, click the share icon. Just like in the app, this icon will lead you to the sharing choices. You can then choose to share with specific people by entering their email addresses or create a shareable link. Finally, after configuring any collaboration settings if desired, click Send or Copy Link. This final step ensures that your album is now shared according to your preferences. Remember, you can manage your sharing settings at any time through the album's sharing or options menu. This flexibility allows you to control who sees your memories and how they interact with them.